Let's finish the sleeves. Create a ruffle piece in the length of your lower sleeve edge. Sew the narrow edges together. Also finish this seam with a zigzag stitch. Close sleeve seams using a flat felled seam. And sew with a 1.5 centimeter seam allowance. Press seam allowances open. Trim one seam allowance. This will be the underside. Press the wider seam allowance over the trimmed one, so all allowances lie to one side. Fold the top seam allowance under, pin or baste in place. Top stitch close to the edge. Pin the sleeve ruffle to the lower sleeve edge, wrong side of ruffle to the right side of the sleeve. Sew together. Pin the sleeve cuffs right sides together, stitch the lower edge. Press the seam allowance open. Sew the cuffs together at the short ends. Press seam allowances open, fold cuffs wrong sides together, and press the lower edge. Pin one cuff edge right sides together to the lower sleeve edge with the ruffle sandwiched between cuff and sleeve. Sew all layers together. Fold underseam allowance of the inner cuff and baste or pin in place. Sew the cuff from the outside very close to the edge. Gather the sleeve cap as marked. Thus mark according to the sewing pattern. Then use a long straight stitch and sew between the markings. Do not secure the ends. Pull the threads. Set in the sleeves by aligning the middle of your sleeve to the shoulder seam and sew the sleeves in. You can use the gathering of your sleeve cap to match the circumference. Finish the seam allowance with a zigzag stitch.